Hi guys, today on Divas and Cook, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy homemade pizza. This is my go-to recipe for whenever I'm craving that hot, fresh, homemade pizza, but I don't have a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? I got things to do, but this is so easy. You guys are going to love how quick this comes together. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start on our pizza sauce first. I'm gonna dice up this garlic into teeny tiny pieces. Get them as small as you can. And next we're gonna go ahead and dice up some of this white onion into little teeny tiny pieces as well. Get it really small, okay? As small as you can get them. Alright, so I'm gonna add some olive oil into my skillet. I'm gonna spread it around a little bit, and then I'm going to add in my onions and garlic whenever that oil is nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and simmer this until it's nice and fragrant and the onions are nice and tender. Alright, now it's time to add in our diced tomatoes. I'm using plain diced tomatoes. I drained them and then I put them in a food processor so you get them all smooth and stuff. And you can really use any flavor you want. Oh my god, the fire roasted kind is the bomb in this sauce, and also the Italian kind is the bomb. But I'm using the plain tomatoes. And next comes one of my favorite ingredients. What is it? Do you know what it is? Chicken broth. Love chicken broth, but you can also use water or a little bit of wine. Ooh, hello sexy. I'm going to go ahead and bring it to a nice little simmer. Next I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning, lots and lots of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese. If you have fresh basil, throw it in there. Don't throw it in there. Okay, and then we're going to add in some brown sugar, yes, to kind of, you know, level out the acidity of the tomatoes. Now go ahead and stir it up. I'm gonna bring it to like a little simmer, okay, just to kind of steam out all that liquid. And you guys, guess what? Add a splash of red wine and it's done. It does not have to simmer all day. Once you put it in the pot, reduce it down, it is done. We are winning. This took no time at all and it tastes so doggone fresh and flavorful. Let's move on to our crust, our pizza dough. I have some warm water here. I'm going to throw in a little bit of sugar, stir it around just like that. And next I'm going to take my yeast packet, shake it like a Polaroid picture. I still love that song. Go ahead and throw that yeast into that warm water, stir it around a little bit, and then we wait. We wait and we cross our fingers and we pray that our yeast proofs, and it did. It got all nice and bubbly and foamy. That's what we want. The yeast is ready. Go ahead and put this into a large bowl. Then we're going to add some olive oil because pizza dough loves olive oil. Olive oil, I'm going to throw in a little bit more sugar here. Then I'm going to add in my flour. I've also sifted some salt into my flour. So go ahead and just add that into that bowl. And next we're just going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning, some Parmesan cheese into our little crust there, okay? Go ahead and mix it up really good until a nice dough begins to form. And this looks great, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and dump this out onto a lightly floured surface here. This dough is a pain. Let me tell you something. I hate this dough. It is so bougie. It's like hard. It's not a fun and fluffy and squishy dough at all. But, you know, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil to my pan. But what I've discovered is that if you keep your hands greased with olive oil, this dough pretty much just melts. And it's just kind of it becomes really friendly. And it's easy to work with. So make sure you keep your hands greased up and the dough is like a dream to work with. Go ahead and press it out into your pan. I have a 12-inch pan here. Press it out, and then I'm going to cover it up with some plastic wrap and put it in a warm location for about 30 minutes. You don't have to do this. I have skipped this step plenty of times, but I like a thicker crust, so I'm going to go ahead and let that rest. Besides, I need time to prepare my toppings. Yum! I got some turkey pepperoni, some green bell peppers, some black olives. I'm going to grate my cheese, and make sure you grate your own cheese. Don't buy the pre-shredded kind of stuff. Go ahead and grate it yourself. You know, it's worth it. It melts better. I just like it better. Next, I'm going to prepare my green bell peppers. Oh my gosh, you guys. Normally, I would add some banana peppers. I live for banana peppers, but I ran out. Oh God, why me? Okay, yeah, I didn't have those. All right, let's go ahead and put this pizza together. I'm getting bored. All right, so go ahead and spread out that. Look at that sauce. Yes, you guys. All chunky and perfect, flavorful, beautiful. Spread it out, okay? Add as much as you like. This makes enough for one pizza. The sauce and the crust, everything is just for one pizza. Sprinkle on lots and lots of cheese. Gotta have lots of cheese, okay? Gonna add my turkey pepperoni. Always eat a few. You have to eat the last turkey pepperoni. You have to. And then go ahead and add your black olives. You know, you can put whatever you want on your pizza. Since this is just my pizza, I get to put whatever I want because I'm home alone. My boys are gone. So this is just for me. We're going to bake it. 425, 12 minutes, and boom. Look at that. Oh, he's pretty. Yes, go ahead and take it out of the pan. It just slides right on out. And then go ahead and cut it up. This was like the dullest the dullest pizza cutter I've ever had in my life. Look at that. It would not cut this pizza for anything. I was struggling, but it didn't matter. There's your piece, and here's my piece, and the pizza is done so quick and easy. Pizza for a weeknight, you guys. There's the inside, okay? Inside crust, perfect, nice and thick, perfect yeast crust. Love it. And there's the bottom side, nice and golden. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget you can find it on my blog at dwhistoncook.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.